Hi, I'm Katie, and in this video, we're going to go over a two-factor authentication email. First thing you're going to want to do is click Get for Free. And once you've done that, you're going to want to go check on that template. So we're going to go on to For Templates, Emails, and then we're going to go ahead and click on the template to review it. Here you can see that it's letting you know that we are introducing the mandatory two-factor authentication in our client portals, help keep them secure. While we are not saving your passwords, we are going to be helping protect your account by actively checking the logins against databases of publicly exposed credentials. If your credentials have been exposed, we will automatically ask you to change your password. You want to send this to clients just to let them know what is going on and why they're being asked to change their passwords regularly if they are using simple passwords. Go ahead and click Save and Exit. And to send this to your clients as needed, you will be clicking New, Email. You'll come through and select the template that you want to use. Select the account that you want to use, and we're going to go ahead and select my test account, which is under my name. And then we're going to go ahead and click Send. And now we have sent that email to our account. If you have any questions, please reach out to us in the community or to our success team at success@taxdome.com. Thank you and have a great day.